Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about a combo strategy for selecting stocks for intraday. So using support and resistance plus VWAP and RSI we are using, and we are identifying like this is a combo strategy. We are using like support and resistance plus VWAP and RSI for selecting a stock. So we will be getting a double confirmation. So that is the reason I am calling this as a combo strategy. Like we will be getting more confirmation using this strategy, and we can take a better call in stock. So all those things I am going to explain through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be getting a better idea about how to select a stock based on support and resistance plus VWAP and RSI. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain how to select a stock for intraday using VWAP and RSI as well as support and resistance. So these are the four tools we are using to select a stock for intraday. So the first thing I am going to explain about support and resistance. So like support and resistance, we can use our TradingView application. From that you will be able to identify the support and resistance. So for that you can go to the template. So in the template you can see there is a sync trading. So just click on the sync trading. So here you can see there is a sync trading. So just click on the sync trading. So once you click on the sync trading, you can see like entire support and resistance will be added to your chart. So here in the right side you can make it as larger, the chart you can make it as larger, and here you can see there is a candle. You have to make it as 5-minute candle, and candle you can use as Fibonacci candle. So these are the settings we have to do, and the data range will be 1 day. So here you can see 1 day. So these are the major settings you have to do for support and resistance. So once you are done with this, you will be able to see like you can see here like today's date. You can see here today's 15th October. Okay, so you can see the date and you can see the performance of HDFC also. This is HDFC Limited. So we have taken an entry this area with the second candle. We have taken an entry and our target was nearby this area. So this is how we can identify the entry. So first thing is that when you are going to select a stock, the first confirmation is that we have to go and check either VWAP and RSI or support and resistance. So if both are matching, we can take an entry in that particular stock. So this is how we have to get a double confirmation. Based on that we can take a better entry. So the first thing is that if you see here, so today morning you can see like HDFC Bank was going to the R to this area. So here it was taken a resistance. After that it was falling down. So we could not take an entry here. So it was like the sudden fall was happened there. So we did not take an entry there. So we have taken an entry here. With the second candle we have taken an entry here, and we could achieve our target also. The same call I have given in my Telegram channel also. So this is only for the learning purpose. We are giving like trading calls, and also for the training purpose I have given even a live call in my Telegram channel also. That I will be showing you after this video. So this is how we are getting an entry. So the first confirmation we have received based on support and resistance. So we can take an entry. So I have given entry here nearby 1985 was my sell order, and my stop loss was here. So my stop loss was 2000. So this is how I have given, because you can see like if you take an entry hereby, the stop loss will be just above the resistance point, because this is a resistance area now. So you know like now HDFC has came from here. One second. Okay, now here you can see like HDFC was coming from this area, and it was here you can see there is a support area, like R1 was a support area. It was broken the support area. Then you can see like it is coming, it is falling down, So once it is broken the support area, so this area, okay, so once this is broken the support area, so with the second candle itself we can take an entry. So here you can see there is a green, two red candle. So here you can see there is a two red candle. So this will be your entry point. So with the second red candle you can take an entry, and this will be your stop loss. So just above you can keep a stop loss, and you can wait for the next support area. So this will be your target area. So this is how we can take an entry based on. So this is how we can take an entry based on support and resistance. So once you get this confirmation, so next thing we are going to check the VWAP and RSI. So we will be getting a one more confirmation, so that you can take a better call in stock. So let us see, like, so now I have done with the support and resistance. So once you identify the support and resistance, always you have to wait for the two candle to form. So here also you can see there is two candle, you can take an entry, and your target will be here. So whenever it is going, you have to wait for the two candle, then only you have to enter. Like here also you can see there is a two candle, so you can take an entry. So whenever there is a two candle, then we have to take an entry, and our stop loss will be just above. If things are going against us also, we have to keep strictly stop loss here. So you can see, like, just above the line we have to keep the stop loss and our entry here. So maximum 10 to 15 points stop loss only we have to maintain in stock. So not more than that, like based on the stock size. Okay, like if you are selecting 2000 stock, you may be having only like 10 to 15 points stop loss. If you are selecting like less than 100 stops and all, so the maximum stop loss will be 2 to 3 points. That is what maximum stop loss. So this is how we can identify the first confirmation. So let us see what is the second confirmation of VWAP and RSI. Okay, now let us come to the second part of confirmation. Now here we are going to do VWAP and RSI. So based on that we will be getting the second and third confirmation for selecting a stock. So the first thing, let us see with the HDFC Limited. The same thing I have given updated in my Telegram channel also. So here you can just click on that HDFC, then you can see there is an option for chart. So just click on the chart. So you will be moving to the chart page. So here we have to do the settings first. So like settings like RSI and VWAP, we have to do the settings. So for settings, first I will remove all those things. So here you can see there is an FX symbol. Okay, this will be the studies. Okay, just click on the studies. So here you have to type VWAP. So once you type VWAP, you can see that VWAP will be added. So here you can see there is a red line. So this is a VWAP line. Okay, so once you have just click on that, the VWAP will be added to your chart. So nothing to do any changes there. Okay, so there is not required any changes. So you can keep VWAP as it is. So now the second thing is that now we have to go and identify the RSI. So RSI also again we have to go to the studies. So in the studies we have to type RSI. So once we type RSI, we can see that RSI is coming here, and this will be added to your chart. So here you have to do some editing also. So just click on the editing button, and the period you have to change to 3. So overbought you can see that it will be 80 and oversold will be 20. So these are the settings you have to do. So once you are done with the settings, you can just keep on submit. So now you are done with your settings of VWAP and RSI. So now we have to identify like how to select a stock. So you can see like today also in the Telegram channel I have mentioned where to sell. So this area was we have selected to sell, because second candle itself we can see from the VWAP line. So once it is crossed the VWAP line, you can see this area. So the second candle itself we can take an entry, and see if you see our entry point is, I told to sell below 1985 was my selling point, and you can see like exactly it was crossed the VWAP line. So that is the reason we got a second confirmation. So this is a second confirmation we are getting based on VWAP line. So we are getting like more surety that this is going to be a downside, because support it has broken the support, and now second thing is that it is broken the VWAP line, and the third confirmation here you can see. So this is the third confirmation. So this is below 20. It means the RSI value is below 20. So that is the third confirmation we are getting. Like whenever we are going for a sell side, the RSI should be below 20, and if you are going for a buy side, the RSI should be above 80. So here you can see this side you will be getting a buy area, and you can see like there will be exactly it is going, this area you can see it is going below the VWAP line. So it means it's a buying side, and here it is a selling side. That is the reason we are selecting below 20. So these are the major things you have to do when you are selecting a stock for intraday. So if you are buying, you have to, this has to be below 20, and the candle has to be below this line. So this is for selling. Okay, so for selling, like we have three options. Okay, like first thing is that the candle has to go below RSI, below VWAP, and the RSI value should be below 20, and support and resistance it has to break the support and go below, and two candles has to form. So these are the three conditions we are selecting for a stock for selling. And when you are going for a buying side also, same thing. Okay, it will be like just reverse. So the candle has to form above this, and here it should be above 80 value, and the support and resistance should be above the two green candles has to form. So these are the three conditions where we are using buying and selling. So for buying, I will show you like my upcoming videos. I will show you like how to buy a stock based on VWAP, RSI and support. So this is all about selling. Okay, like how to sell a stock. So for selling, like first thing is that it has to break the support and resistance. So once the support is broken, two red candle has to form below the support line. Then only we can go for a buying side. Apart from that, it has to cross VWAP line, and the RSI should be below 20. So these are the major options for selling a stock. So this is very easy actually. We can select any stock we can select based on this tool. So for all the three if we get all the three confirmation, so it will be like you are taking an entry, like we will be getting like more than 90% accuracy based on this. So this is all about how to select a stock based on support, resistance and VWAP and RSI. So let us see like my Telegram channel also, like what are the code I have provided in my Telegram channel also. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. Here also you can see same thing you can see here. So HDFC you can see. So HDFC you can see here I told to sell below 1985, and my SL also you can see it is 2000. So like 2000 stock I told like you have to maintain like 15 points is more than enough for a stop loss, because it is not going to hit, because we are taking the entry at bottom level, because we are getting like three confirmation. Apart from that, our entry is at the bottom level because we are taking nearby support and resistance as well as nearby VWAP line. So this is a three confirmation. So there is a very less chance to hit a stop loss, and our stop loss is very less. I can see like 15 points stop loss we are getting a target, and immediately you can see that even I have clearly mentioned we have to sell below 1985, and you can see so suddenly it was started going down. So I mentioned like you have to book the profit based on your risk, and you can see like what is the price now, like almost like here I told to book the profit. So here you can see almost 10 point down from there. So from there I told to start booking the profit, and here you can see it was going down. So almost 30 points is down. So here you can see here. So this area you can see like 20 points down. Again here you can see almost 30 points is down. So this is how we have to identify, like from one resistance to next support it went to. So it means like there is a huge fall. Like whichever stock we are selecting, we can use this strategy and we can select a stock based on this. So this is a very good strategy for selecting intraday stock. So this is all about how to select a stock based on support, resistance and VWAP and RSI. So if you are really okay, and in the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or an Alice Blue, you can open an account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can go to my description and you can open trading account in Angel Broking and Alice Blue. And in the same way, this is a complete free group. Okay, like those who are interested to join my Telegram channel, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. Like you can go to my description and you can join to my group and you can learn more about market. So both link I have mentioned in my description. So hope today's topic is clear. If you have any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. In the same way, you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe like, share. Thanks for watching.